Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we had seen some bounce back in the US market on Friday after consistent decline before that. Uh, uh, Apart from that, uh, Asian markets are also indicating some positive trend. So we got consumer personal expenditure index, which is more preferred by FOMC meeting data on Friday, which was more of a flattish and unexpected line. And uh, apart from that, the dollar index, which was moving up, had shown some uh, reversal on Friday, and uh, which is generally considered positive for emerging market. As such, the impact is being seen in the Asian market as well, which are trading on the higher side after sell-off in the last week. Uh, Today morning, Indian market is also likely to see some positive trend after consistent decline in the last week. So may see some reversal trend into the trade. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Uh, Today, the market is likely to open with a gap down, with a gap of openings after 6 to 7 trading sessions of a downfall in the last week from 25,440 to 24,600 levels. Friday, we have seen a breakdown of the short-term moving averages, say the 50 and 100 DMA, but probably today it's likely to retest those averages levels on the higher side. So, for today intraday purpose, the first resistance is placed at around 24,740. About that level, 24,800, 24,870 levels can be tested on the higher side, whereas the support is placed at around 25,570. Any move below that level will witness some sort of a profit booking again back, which will drag the Nifty towards 24,500 levels. The view will remain a positive as long as the Nifty trades above 24,570 levels, and we are likely to witness a bounce back rally after the 6 to 7 days of a downfall. Coming towards the Bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, the resistance is placed at around 54,700. Above that level, 54,900 can be tested, whereas on the lower side, the support is placed at around 54,240, 54,000 levels. So the view is positive for longer term horizon, since from the last few trading sessions, we are continuously witnessing a selling pressure. So today, the pullback rally can be witnessed into the market. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, again, see couple of points. PCR around 0.6 is deep in the oversold zone, along with early RSI also near the same, which is a good sign that a bounce back can come in. Also, the open interest has gone about 2 crore shares for Nifty as a whole, so some covering has to come in. So that is a good sign overall. I believe Nifty can witness some bounce back action from here. 24,500 is a good support area. That can be the stop loss, and some bounce back up to 24,800, 25,000 odd levels is likely. So look out for the same. Um, from the stock specific front, most of the stocks did witness selling in the last week. The whole week was a selling week. Now, from today onward, some more buying can come in. Stocks like sectors like the banking sector, which have been holding on for quite some time, can witness support buying now. So yeah, look out for the same, especially the PSU pack. They look very good even now. So Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, SBI, these are the stocks to focus on the long side. That's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Thank you, Nirav. Good morning, everyone. One IPO, Glotus Limited, is opening for subscription today. It's an ocean freight forwarding company headquartered in Chennai, and it has a pan-India presence as well, and also international markets. It has a wide network of intermediaries with multimodal logistic operation. Almost 48% of the revenues come from the renewable energy sector, wherein The company facilitates imports of solar panel cells, wafers, trackers, etc. Issue is valued at a PE of 21 times FY25 earnings. We believe that geopolitical risks has created kind of instability into the freight forwarding business, and we remain cautious for this industry, and therefore we are recommending neutral to this issue. Its issue size is 307 crores. It's opening today, and the issue is closing on 1st of October. The price. Yeah, the price band on the upper hand is 129 rupees, and on the lower band it is 120 rupees. That's it from me. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. On the weekend, Hindustan Unilever announced that there was a disruption at distributor and retailer level due to inventory clearance of old prices, which has led to lower orders and delayed consumer purchases. This has impacted the September sales. The effect may continue into October, with the quarter two FY26 growth expected to be flat to low single digits. So overall, this is neutral for HUL. Uh, Today, Ganesh Consumer Products is listing on the exchanges. It is one of the leading players in the packaged food industry in East India, and it is further growing its presence in consumer staples such as spices and ethnic snacks. We had recommended this issue with a subscribe rating, as the issue was valued at a PE valuation of around 37 times to FY25 EPS, which was at discount to industry peers average. The market expects muted listing. However, one can hold with a medium to long term view. Thank you.
Good morning. One more IPO will be listing today. The name of the company is Atlanta Electric Limited. Atlanta Electric Limited is a Gujarat-based transformer manufacturer with over 3 decades of experience and diversified portfolio catering to utilities, renewable energy, railways, and industrial sector. On peer comparison, Atlanta demonstrates superior efficiency with asset turn of 2.5 times versus peer average of 1.4 times. Returns ratios are robust, like ROC of 39% and ROE of 34%, where above the peers. But its margin of 15.6% uh, remain below the average of 21%. The company's recent capacity expansion to 63,000 MVA and ability to manufacture 500 MVA 765 kV transformer position it for larger and more complex projects. Company's valuation are in line with peers on EV by EBITDA of 30 times and P of 49 times. Backed by capacity build-up, strong order book visibility, and industry demand tailwinds, we recommend a subscribe rating to the IPO. And Fabtech Technologies Limited IPO will be opening today for subscription. Fabtech Technology is a global company based in India, providing turnkey engineering solutions to pharmaceutical, biotech, and healthcare companies. It helps customer set up modern aesthetic manufacturing facilities by offering end-to-end services from design and engineering to procurement, installation, certification, and compliance. Its solutions focus on three critical elements of pharma and healthcare facilities, like clean air, clean water, and process systems. On peer comparison, Fabtech shows stronger revenue growth of 30% CAGR versus its peers, HVAX 17%, and higher ROC of 24% versus 70%, but it lag in profitability with an EBITDA margin of 11.5% versus 14.5% for HVAX. Valuation multiples are also on the higher side, uh, like EV by EBITDA at 23.8 times and PE at 25.9 times, and price to sales at 2.6 times compared to the peer. Along with weaker margin, execution and regulatory risk, and past negative cash flows further raise liquidity concerns. Considering these factors, we assign a neutral rating to Fabtech Technologies IPO. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll now request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, we are expecting gold prices to move further high. Some profit booking may witnessed. So, buying on dips around 1,14,500 is recommended with a stop loss of 1,14,200. On upside again, 1,14,900 to 1,15,300 are the levels where one can book profits. Similarly, silver also buy on dips around 141 300 and maintain a stop loss of 140. And on upside, 1,42,500, 1,44,000 are the levels where profit booking is advisable. And in metal front, copper expected to rise by around 942 with a stop loss of 937. On upside, expecting 948, 952 levels. Similarly, zinc also buy with a stop loss of 281, and on upside, we are expecting 285, 286 levels. In crude oil, buying around 57.80 is recommended. Uh, Buy with a stop loss of 5,700, and on upside, it can test 58.80, 59.50. And natural gas to buying is recommended around 275 with a stop loss of 265. On upside, expected to test 290, 95 levels. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.